And right now you see $9,530 over here, $6,000 almost over here on the second store, $8,000 over here on my third store, on my fourth store, $14,000. We're almost hitting $40,000 a month on these 4 stores over here. Okay, I run even more than that.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you the method that no one else is talking about in terms of starting a successful e-commerce business online right now. Okay, what you see right here applies to what we're going to do. So what you see is a net, okay? We're going to be using these nets to catch as much fish as we can, okay? And so the more nets we have, the more fish we have. And in this context, net equals e-commerce store, fish equals money. And we're going to put these nets in strategic locations so that we can get as much fish as we can. Now you'll be like, well, Mike, you can't just place an e-commerce store physically somewhere there. It's online. You can't just do that. Well, yeah, you can't. You're correct. But through the power of SEO, you can get your site on the first page of Google for your product so that people can start seeing it. And you're going to get insane results. Like, let me go on my computer right over here. And right now you see $9,530 over here, $6,000 almost over here on the second store, $8,000 over here on my third store, on my fourth store, $14,000. We're almost hitting $40,000 a month on these 4 stores over here. Okay, I run even more than that. I run 30 stores altogether, and I use WooCommerce because I can set up an e-commerce store just like this, and it only costs a couple dollars to maintain a WooCommerce store. So you can do insane things through the power of netting, through using WooCommerce, and through using SEO. Now you can do netting through Shopify, but you're going to be paying like $30 per store. That'll end up becoming, let's say, 10 stores, $300. But through WooCommerce, you can literally get 10 stores for 30 bucks. Okay? So you will start up all your stores, and then what you want to do is SEO optimize them, okay? SEO optimize them. It's a big, wide, open ocean for e-commerce stores because e-commerce stores, they're all utilizing Mark Zuckerberg, and they're not, I mean like Facebook, and they're not utilizing SEO. So right now, if you have an e-commerce store and you utilize SEO, you're just going to get crazy results. It's a big, wide, open ocean right now. Okay, so for example, veganblade.com is one of many e-commerce sites that I own, and it's on the top page on Google. Okay, if we go on google.com and we search vegan blade kitchen knife, we're gonna get the first result on that first page right on top. What does that translate to? That means a lot of eyeballs are looking at here, and they're gonna click on this, and eventually they're gonna land on the page, and they're gonna buy and shop now. Okay, they're gonna click on this page, they're gonna lead onto the site, they're going to, browse and see what the site is all about, and then eventually add to cart, and then hopefully check out when they want to check out. Now, imagine you have multiple sites targeting very niche products, that very niche long tail keywords that people are searching for, and you get those sales. Okay, if you keep rinsing and repeating this, you're just going to get insane sales. And I just want to note that the sales that you see over here, these sales over here are pure, like almost pure profit, 80% profit margins, because we're no longer giving the profits to Facebook or TikTok ads or whatever ads. We're not even using ads, so the overhead is significantly less. And like I said, for 30 bucks a month, you can get 30 e-commerce stores up and running. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it simple right now, and then if people want more information, then we can make another video on breaking down this method fully on. Okay, so we have our e-commerce stores. The next thing is the SEO, the long tail keywords. Now, how does this work? Let's pick a niche, right? We're selling tungsten rings soon. That's a side hustle that I'm working on right now. And if we search tungsten rings on Google, we're going to get a bunch of hits. We don't want the Amazon hits, but we want like slightly big, slightly small hits. So Tungsten World and Northern Royal are like companies I've never heard of, yet they're on the first page. People's Jewelers I did, so I'm not going to mess with them because I feel like it's hard to compete with them. But tungstenworld.com, and then this landing page apparently is getting a lot of hits on the first page of Google. So we're going to copy this, go to ahrefs.com, okay? This software is worth to me like millions and billions of dollars. It does cost $99 a month. However, let's say for the cost of Facebook ads, you get way more value. Okay, I know people spending thousands of dollars on ads and getting no return. Now I'm spending only $100 a month once for like hundreds of sites, well, 30 sites plus, and I get to know all the information on it. So we entered this info onto here. We want to know what what keywords are bringing them here. Okay, So if we go down and then click on keywords over here, we're going to see the keywords that they target for and what's bringing them all the attention. Okay? So by simply having like the keyword tungsten rings, we can get some attention. However, their site has been active for a while, so the keyword difficulty is very high. It's at 50. We want keyword difficulty 0 to like 3. Okay? 0 to like 3. So we're just going to click on that, or actually click 0. Let's do 0 to 5 actually. 0 to 5 to keyword difficulty, and show results, and then it's going to just show us the keywords that they target for. Now these are all the keywords. We can even organize it by the amount of volume so that we can target the keywords that have the most volume. So tungsten steel, tungsten titans, off-white ring, blue tungsten rings. So all these like keywords, management ring or engagement ring, are all on this page. So by incorporating these keywords onto our page, we can get roughly, let's say all this traffic over here. We can just add up this volume by going to like Excel sheets. Okay, let's do some quick math over there. And this is our volume over here. And let's get the total sum of that so that we can count everything. So we get 3,200 visitors a month to our site if we can, target these keywords. And the keyword difficulty is like 0, 0, 0. So we just have to write a better article. Okay, simply just a better article, and we're going to get our website onto the first page, and then we can compete with this site. And a lot of people are skipping on this. Okay, this company that I'm looking at, they're not doing this intentionally, adding these keywords. These keywords just happen to be on their page, and through the power of research and scraping and AI, it's like we get to see exactly what keywords that people are searching to get to this specific page. And we can literally find more keywords for other websites. So we have like Northern Royal. Okay, we can copy this website, paste it over here, click search, and again, we're going to see the organic keywords. And look at that. Women's titanium ring, 1,400,000 volume, okay? We got men's two-tone wedding band, 800 volume. This individual has even more hits going on. So if we incorporate these, create articles, add them to our product page, even create a YouTube video too, or TikTok video with these keywords, and then on our TikTok or YouTube video, we have a link or we mention our website, we can also get to the first page on Google just like that, okay? These are the tactics that I'm doing right now without Facebook ads, without TikTok ads, without any crazy setup or anything. And with low cost, because we're setting our stores through WooCommerce and we can easily duplicate it, we're getting insane results of $30,000, $40,000 a month, if not more. Like I said, I got 30 more sites on top of this, okay? So I'm hitting peak amounts of money doing this method. Okay? So if you're interested in this and you want to know more exactly step by step on how I do this and how I get insane results just like this, simply go to mikeapp.com/netting, okay? mikeapp.com/netting, and you'll be redirected to the website that will show you exactly what to do, okay?